So this is what I have so far, working on that project at my with my friend's 740 1990 Volvo. Cleaned it up really good. Got the float working nicely. I took it apart and cleaned out the spring that's inside of there. Now what I discovered is while resoldering these wires, there's a lot of corrosion in there and it's really stiff. I'm really considering replacing these wires, because see, you can even see there a little bit of that corrosion, and I'm willing to believe that that corrosion is all inside of those wires. And of course corrosion kind of interferes with the electric flow. So I mean, if it were a regular external wire set thing, yeah, definitely I just replace them, resolder it, replace every one of them, have some nice new fresh wires. But these wires are soaking potentially in the fuel tank, so I need to do some research to see if there's a specific type of wire similar to like the fuel hose. You don't just put a regular fuel hose inside of your fuel tank. You want to put a fuel hose that's rated for submerging inside of the fuel tank. This one I just bought, it even has stamped on there, submersible fuel hose. There's a specific rating for that. I forget the actual, wait, hold on, I just put that on, I'll let you know what the rating is. So for submersible fuel hose, the rating of it is a JR 3010. SAE JR 3010 is a submersible fuel hose. In other words, not just the inside is made for fuel, but the outside is made for fuel, so that it doesn't just fall apart on you. But got a new pump on there, redid the wires there, and the same thing when I stripped those out to solder on the new clips. There's a lot of corrosion in there, so that really makes me believe it. So I think before I put it back in, I'm going to do some research on, are there certain wires that are used for submersible so that the rubber doesn't just corrode away and fall off in your tank eventually after how many years or decades, or what? I'm going to talk to a shop. If you guys know, let me know as well in the comments. But anyway, this is the continuing of it. This is how it looks right now. More to come.